Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 8, our final week of this class. This is a short week and it's simply about wrapping up the course. So if you've looked at the overview and resources, our objectives are just a course wrap up. You've got 2 things to do this week: post in the discussion forum and then submit your final research paper and presentation. So the final research discussion, originally this was going to be you uploading your presentations and commenting on them to each other. However, with the short week, I have changed it to just a class synthesis. So as a way to wrap up the course, tell me the top 3 things you found meaningful. There are no responses necessary and were required to your colleagues, but if you feel inclined to comment on something your classmates say, please do so. So as for your final project overview, here are the details. You get 100 points total, 50 points for the content, that's your presentation, and 50 points for the writing. Remember, this is preparing a written formal document and giving a presentation to the class, well, not to the class anymore, but giving a presentation to me. The tools you need to complete this, we have covered throughout this whole class. So all you're doing is the final step in actually preparing that report and presentation. The content of your report, and again, this is listed on that page, but you need a title page, a table of contents, an executive summary, an introduction and problem statement, your theoretical background, methodology, findings or the analysis, interpretation, and your conclusions and recommendations. 9, 10, and 11 are 9 and 11 are not necessary. So footnotes, if you need them, you can put them in. Your appendix, if you need it, you can put it in. References are needed to be included. So where did you find your data? Any additional resources that you used, especially for your lit review or anything like that. Notice that on the writing rubric, and I've given suggestions for how many pages those sections should be. You get a maximum of 10 pages, not including your references and appendices. Title page and table of contents don't count in there as well. Some of you may think that this isn't a lot, but I can tell you that sometimes being more concise with your writing is harder than if you were given 50 pages to write this. If you're struggling, please let me know. I can help you out as best I can. Please also use APA formatting, double space, Times New Roman 12-point font, 1-inch margins, and a cover page, but that will be your title page and then your table of contents. Your oral presentation, you're required to record a video. So I want your audio and a video. So I want a picture of you along with your presentation. Your length should be 12 minutes plus or minus a minute. So you will be docked if you go over 13 minutes and if you're under 11 minutes. And I want a maximum of 12 PowerPoint slides. Address the highlights, stick to the key points. And then the rubrics are on the actual assignment upload pages. So here's where you would submit your video. Again, there's the same thing. Here is your actual rubric. And you'll notice it's only 24 points. I'm going to double that and add a free point to you. So you get 1 free point out of it, 2 technically because it's 50 points. And then for your week 8 written report, again, here's the same stuff. I just don't have the page recommendations here. And then you get 50 points again. And this one I have updated so that it's already out of 50. So 50 points for this, 50 points for your presentation. Sorry about that. And that is all for this class. Then you are done. If you have any questions, please let me know.